Welcome, in front of me is a POCO X3 GT, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. To get started, we're going to swipe down from the top of the screen to gain access to our toggles, and we're looking for a screen recording toggle. Now if it's not visible on the first page, like it's not for me, I'm going to swipe to the left, which will show me a second page of toggles, and I can see it right here as the first one, right at the top. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this overlay with the record button folder, which will allow you to access all the screen recordings that you have captured over the time of using this device, which can also be done by going into your gallery application. You have settings, which allows you to edit how the screen recording records in terms of like quality and frame rates and so on. And then we have the close button. I'm gonna actually navigate into the settings just so I can see how it's set by default. I recommend doing the same, and if something doesn't fit your needs, you can just change it. Personally, I would like to change frame rate. Apparently all the frame rates here are disappointing, so we have 15, 24 and 30. I'm gonna go with the highest one. It's still way too low in my opinion, but it's the highest one we can pick. And that's really the only thing that I'm gonna change right here. So from here, close this. Click on the red circle, which will automatically start recording your screen. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, you can interact with this overlay. Select the red square. And give you this pop-up that we have saved the screen recording. So I'm going to navigate to the gallery right now. And you can see it right here at the very top. It is showing under photos. But we can also navigate into the Albums tab, and here we have screenshots and screen recordings. Now keep in mind, when navigating into this album, it is divided into screenshots and screen recordings, so you can switch between them. And I'm looking for screen recordings, so I'm gonna switch to the other one, and you can see it right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.